Is your thermostat the cause of your heating problem? It's cold and your heat doesn't seem to be working. Did you know your thermostat could be the cause? Here are some troubleshooting tips and fixes you may be able to do yourself to save time and money. Is the display on your thermostat blank? It could be there's no power to the thermostat. A tripped circuit breaker or fuse could be the problem, possibly caused by a power outage, power surge, lightning strike, or storm. Reset the tripped circuit breaker or replace the fuse. Make sure all the wires going to the thermostat are connected and not loose. If your thermostat is battery powered or relies on battery for backup power in case of a power outage, it could be that the battery needs replacing. If you have a programmable thermostat and had a recent power outage, it could be that without a functioning battery backup, all of your settings have been wiped out by the power outage and the thermostat reverted to its default program. You need to insert a new battery, then re-enter your settings. Check that the thermostat is set to the correct day and time, including the AM or PM designation. One customer bought a programmable thermostat to save money, with the intent to have the heat backed down while the customer was away at work, and have the heat cranked up at night when the customer was home. But when the customer started freezing at night, they mistakenly thought something was wrong with their heat, when the real culprit was that they had the AM/PM designation backwards on their thermostat. Here's a tip. If you've lost your owner's manual for your thermostat, most major brand manuals can be found on the web. Just go to the manufacturer's website. Lastly, check that the thermostat is in heat mode. This switch can easily get accidentally bumped into the off or cool position. If it's a programmable thermostat, switch it to manual control and set it for 5 degrees above the room temperature and wait to see if the heat cycles on. If it does not, then the problem may be at the furnace. If none of these do-it-yourself fixes addresses your problem and you live in the Nashville area, give us a call at 615-832-8500. We're here to help.